This video will show you the elastic bind off. You will basically work 2 stitches and then knit them together through the back loop. Let me show you. I have a knit stitch. I will knit the knit stitch. I will knit the second knit stitch. Bring my left needle into the front legs of those 2 stitches and knit them together through the back loops. My next stitch is a purl stitch, so you need to bring your yarn to the front and purl the purl stitch. But then bring your yarn to the back again because you need to knit these 2 through the back loop. My next stitch is a purl stitch. I will purl it, bring my yarn to the back, knit these 2 together through the back loop. Knit stitch, my yarn is already in the back. And just continue in this manner until you are done. Now your last stitch, bind off and cut and pull your yarn through to secure that. And now you have a nice elastic bind off.